Welcome mga kamatik. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you the addition and subtraction integers. So first, we have the addition integers. These integers involves combining two or more integers to get a sum when adding integers. If the sign are the same and the numbers and keep the sign, if the sign are different, subtract and use the sign of the larger absolute value. So for example, negative 9 plus negative 10. So since they have a common sign, you are going to add the two absolute value. 9 plus 10 is 19. So just copy the common sign, which is the negative. So 8 plus 3 is 11. And copy the common sign, which is the positive. So negative 12 plus negative 2, you are going to add also 12 plus 2 is 14. And copy the common sign, which is the negative. Negative 13 plus 4. So since the two absolute value have a different sign, so you are going to subtract. So 13 minus 4 is 9. So just copy the bigger absolute value, which is the negative. Then 3 plus negative 8, you are going also to subtract. So 3 plus 8 is 5. And then copy the bigger sign of absolute value, which is the negative. Then 12 plus negative 28 is equal to 16. Then since the 28 has a bigger absolute value, so you need to copy the sign of negative. Then negative 44 plus 17 is equal to 27. And copy the sign of the bigger absolute value, which is the negative 44. So the answer is negative 27. Subtraction integers. These integers involves taking one integer away from another, which can result in either a positive or negative number. When subtracting, you can think of it as the adding of opposite and the second integer to the first. Subtraction integers. So in these integers is we have a method, which is the keep, change, change. So for example, 8 minus negative 4. So just copy the 8. Change this operation to addition. And we need to add the opposite sign of the negative 4. Therefore, the result is 8 plus 4 is equal to positive 12. So 12 minus 32, just copy the 12. Change this operation into addition and then 32. So 12 plus 32 is equal to 44. Negative 8 minus negative 12. So just copy the 8 and change this operation into addition. And then 12. So negative 8 plus 12. So we need to subtract because they have a opposite sign. So negative 8 plus 12 is equal to positive 4. Just copy the sign of 12. The next is negative 4 minus negative 6. Just copy the negative 4, change this operation into addition, and then negative 6 may mo siyang positive 6. So negative 4 plus 6 is equal to positive 2. Just copy the sign of the absolute value of 6. Negative 4 minus 24. Just copy the 4, change this operation into addition, the negative 24. Negative 4 plus negative 24 is negative 28. Just copy the common sign, which is the negative. Then 5 minus 12, just copy the 5, change this operation into positive, and then negative 12. 5 plus negative 12 is equal to 7. And then just copy the sign of this absolute value, which is the negative. So the answer is negative 7. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new in this video.